Creek watershed area. About to set up my tent. I think I have only one neighbor family down the way, so we'll see how this goes. Here I want my tent. Okay, so I finished setting up my home away from home bathroom, of course, little campsite kitchen with all the necessities. And then inside is air mattress, some more perishables and clothes. Okay, so all set up. It's a little too wet to lay a fire, I tried, but it's not going to happen. So just food and a little bit of wine and off to bed so I can have an early morning when the cockatoos wake me up. They'll probably be waking me up around 5 o'clock, 4:30. So, early bedtime. So, just cooking up some breakfast before I get started. Cold night. It got down to about 0 Celsius, so about 32 degrees.